Alright, here's our course tour for math. Math is a lot like reading. We still have our interactive classroom. You still have your information about your teacher. But when we go into modules in math, it's going to look a little bit different. We still have our course tour. We still have our troubleshooting. But for the first 2 days, we're going to have only 2 activities. It's a 2-part activity. When we move into the next week, this is where it gets a little different, and this is where you'll want to pay attention. Right here it says Start Here Week 1. We're going to click on that. And it takes you to the concept that we're working on. We're going to work on numerical relationships. And it also shows you the days of the week. So, on Monday, you're going to want to click on Monday. And it takes you to your assignment. It tells you everything you need to do and how to submit. You'll do the same thing for Tuesday through Friday. We also have daily practice. That's down here below. We'll use Imagine Math Facts, also Education Galaxy. That's a new one for us this year. So just remember, the first 2 days of the school year are a little bit different because we only have one 2-part activity. Then when we move into this first full week of school, it's going to have it laid out by day. I'll always be here to help, so if you have any questions, just send me a message through the Canvas inbox. It's right here.